This is the elevator at Macy's Mall at Robinson Township, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler 300A. They actually replaced the bulb in the lights. The lantern was burned out when I was here last time. Here we go. Here you all. Let's go to LL. But closes does not work. Still got the horrible sounding chime. Let's get a cab view. Pretty nice cab. Phone. Let's go back up to UL. All right, here we go. Here UL. Go to LL. Door closes does not work. I'm gonna take this for another round trip. Let's go one more time. All right, here we go. Here you all. Let's go to LL. £2,500 capacity. This elevator is running okay. Just need to fix that horrible sounding chime. Other than that, it's nice for Macy's. Here at LL. There it goes. And that's it.